If you wake up tired and groggy, your mouth might be to blame. Let's talk about the weird trick that could change your sleep forever. Millions of people breathe through their mouths while they sleep, without even realizing it. And here's the thing. Mouth breathing is linked to poor sleep quality, dry mouth, and even a higher risk of sleep apnea. When you breathe through your mouth, you miss out on the benefits of slow, filtered nasal breathing, like increased oxygen uptake and balanced CO2 levels. That's why you might wake up feeling tired even after 8 hours in bed. Your body just isn't getting the deep, restorative sleep it needs. Here's where mouth taping comes in. This simple biohack encourages your body to breathe through your nose the way it's designed to. It can help reduce snoring, improve oxygen flow, and support deeper stages of sleep. Studies show nasal breathing can enhance nitric oxide production, which relaxes blood vessels and supports healthy blood pressure. In fact, some small clinical studies found mouth taping reduced snoring frequency and improved reported restfulness. By taping your mouth, you may wake up with less dry mouth, fewer sore throats, and improved energy levels. You're training your body to return to its natural, efficient breathing pattern, something that could even slow aging at a cellular level by improving oxygen delivery. Nasal breathing also supports heart rate variability, a key marker of resilience and longevity. So how can you try it? Start with a small, breathable medical tape. Only a tiny strip across the center of your lips, not full coverage. This is about gentle encouragement, not sealing your mouth shut. Try it for 15 to 30 minutes while relaxing at night, then wear it overnight when comfortable. If your nose feels blocked, use a nasal rinse. And if you have concerns about sleep apnea or breathing issues, always consult a doctor first. Mouth taping might sound strange, but for many, it's a simple, affordable way to transform sleep and support long-term health. Ready to give it a try? Let me know in the comments how it works for you. And don't forget, subscribe for more night hacks that help slow down aging and boost vitality.